RC car. Somebody count it down.
You count it down.
3, 2, 1. Pretty much got smoked by the RC car. What do you think, Dave? Screw you, dude. It's so... Dude, I'm freaked right now. I got my knee pads on. You think I should try it? Dude, I am so freaked out. Dude, I'm scared. I am so scared. Oh. No, the last one on the bottom. Oh my.
Yeah, dude.
I just made a new one. Dude, I am freaked. I think I'm gonna hit it though. Oh my god. Danny, you gonna hit it? Oh my god. Woo! Let's do that again! Yeah! That is, woo! That's awesome, dude. I want to hit that again.
That was nice.
That is not bad at all.
Oh, no.
Whoa. Not bad. Get out of the way, Daniel! Woo-hoo-hoo! Yeah, baby! Woo! Oh, God. Whoa! Yeah! That was awesome.
Oh,
What did you hit?
oh my God.
What did you do?
I think I tried to cross the rut.
I can see.
Woo!
We got a 26, we're good. Did you go over the bars?
Yeah, I did. I did a fucking somersault landing up on my backpack.
Dude, that's gonna be a fun ride down, dude. How do you feel?
Really glad I have this helmet.
Dang it!
Look at that shit. Scuffed it up.
I don't know if he's gonna be happy about that. A recap, I was in front of you. How are you going to see the crash?
No, I'll show you where I fucked up. It looks like a figure eight from me.
She said break the bike before your bones.
I would have broken a bone if I didn't have this helmet.
It's okay. You got a 26 we can throw on there so you can come out again maybe tomorrow.
I think I'm good for right tomorrow. That would make concussion city without the helmet. Yeah, Ricky.
Should have worn goggles. Definitely should have worn goggles. Oh, that was a monster. No way, dude! Stop! Oh God, look at this!
Whoa, I would not have cleared that.
I would have died right there, dude. How far are you supposed to jump? Look at that. What? No, thank you.
Oh, snap.
Like, if you don't clear it, you're gonna die. Look, somebody hit the back of it right there. Hey, you gotta go across here. Oh, yeah. And here's the little ones, Dave. I'm gonna whip them all. Think you can hit those ones? I'm gonna whip them all. You ready? Let's see if I can whip them all. Oh! Yeah, I'm good. Don't try to whip up. Hold on, Daniel. Woo-hoo. Ow. Don't hit me.
Not the GoPro!
GoPro came off.
Ow! Broke the bottom end.
That's